This is a wall clock, and I want to create a barcode for it. Let me explain what each part of the barcode means. WC stands for the item name, which means wall clock. 006 is the model number. GD represents the color, which stands for gold. The last part is the price, which is $10. So, this barcode contains all the important product information, including the item name, model number, color, and price. Now, let's generate the barcode. Click on the Object menu, then select Insert. Now click on Barcode. Since we are using both letters and numbers, choose the Code 39 barcode option. Leave the first field empty, and in the second field, enter your barcode data. Click Next. On this screen, the default properties are fine, so we'll leave them as they are. Click Next again. Now you'll see the font settings. You can also enable the option below to make the barcode human-readable, which means the barcode value will be displayed as text beneath the barcode. Finally, click Finish. Our barcode has now been created successfully. You can print this barcode on your product's packaging and use it for creating invoices, tracking inventory, and maintaining accurate product records. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.